In this video, we're going to discuss post-traumatic stress disorder. By the end of the video, you should have an idea of what PTSD is, what the symptoms are, as well as why some people get PTSD and others do not. Post-traumatic stress disorder occurs in response to a traumatic event. We often think of post-traumatic stress disorder occurring in our military veterans, right? People who have gone overseas and experienced war, and they come back and they have PTSD, which involves the symptoms that are frequent distressing recollections, exaggerated arousal in response to noises and other stimuli, avoidance of reminders of the event, and nightmares, basically. So while we often think of it in our veterans, this can occur in anyone who has experienced some sort of traumatic and distressing event. So the idea is that you experience this event and then you relive this event. Now the question is why do some people get PTSD and others do not? So why do two people go overseas, go to war, experience the same exact thing? One ends up coming home and has PTSD and the other one does not. Why do two people experience a carjacking and one person in the car gets PTSD and the other does not? Why do two people experience witnessing a car accident and one ends up with PTSD and the other does not? So researchers have looked into this question to try to see if we can figure out the differences. Maybe we can help people that have PTSD. What research has found is that most PTSD victims have a smaller than average hippocampus. And that's what you're seeing here. PTSD victims also show lower than normal cortisol levels after the trauma. So this suggests that some people might just be ill-equipped to combat stress. They might be more prone to the damaging effects of stress. And the amygdala is essential in the extreme emotional impact that produces PTSD. And we'll talk more about the amygdala and its role in anxiety disorders in a later video.